Okay, so we'll be making a fresh butternut squash pasta with mushrooms, chicken, and a side salad. So you're gonna wanna get these butternut squash spirals. I got them from Trader Joe's. They also make different kinds. And then I got 2 packets. Then you're gonna wanna get 2 things of chicken. I got these breast tenders because it's a little bit easier to cook, less waiting time. Normal mushrooms, and then 2 things of and then you want to get 2 things of broccoli and cauliflower, and then 2 things of lettuce of your type. I got the butter one, and then your favorite sauce. You're going to want to take all of your chicken out and put it into a bowl and then season it. This is what I'm using. So lemon pepper, salt, my favorite chili and lime, of course, and then Worcestershire sauce. But it's up to you if you want to change that, but I think it tastes really good on chicken. And then you want to put it all together, mix it in the bowl, and let it sit while you wait for the oven to heat up. Then you're going to want to pour some avocado oil into a pan, and then grab your butternut squash spirals and put them in to cook. While the butternut squash is cooking, you can leave it be or add in some salt and pepper to taste. Once the oven has heated up, you can put all your chicken out on a pan and then put it in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes, but check up on it. Then add in your favorite sauce and let that cook. Then you're going to start heating up your mushrooms in a pan. I just added a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and then some chili and lime, but not too much, just enough to give it a little bit of flavor, and then you're going to add it in there.
And just for making
Then
the
comes
salad,
the easy part, just making your salad. So you're just going to want to put your 2
your
lettuces,
vegetables
your
that
2
you want,
broccolis
and
into a bowl.
out
After
of
the
oven,
chicken
you're gonna
has
put
been
it
cooked, you can put it into a little box like this, and then put your squash pasta into a bowl, and then of course your big salad, and this should be the end look for the meal prep, and then you can just make your own servings as you go.
6 to 7 servings.